Hi everyone, it's Cooking Together. Today we are cooking delicious zucchini. Rub the zucchini on a coarser grater. Squeeze the zucchini well. Grate 5 and 3 ounces of boiled sausage. We send zucchini into a deep bowl. Salt, add cheese, sausage, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, squeeze out 2 cloves of garlic, 3 tablespoons of flour and mix everything. Add sunflower oil to a pan and fry over medium heat under the lid of potato pancakes on both sides until golden. The zucchini pancakes are ready. Enjoy your meal, like and subscribe.